Hello guys, let me share with you my top centerpieces idea that came out super cute and so easy for you guys to do. Let's get started. So I took one of these glasses, I'm going to place it upside down. Then I'm going to take another one, put some hot glue and attach it into place. Then I took this wallpaper, they call stickers. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to place it to the top of the glass like that. Then I'm going to turn it around and place another one and then just cut out the extra pieces. I'm going to place it down and then place another one on top, and you're going to do that until you fill out the whole thing and just cut out the extra pieces. Then I took one of this round mirror. I'm going to put some floral foam on top and I'm going to place the glass on top like that. And then go ahead, fill it up with flowers all the way around it. And I took this bouquet flower stick. I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it on top. And then I'm going to put more hot glue just to attach it into place like that. Make sure to do that. And then I'm going to put more flower like that. Just place different flowers around it until you fill out the whole thing. Once you're done, this is how beautiful it turns out. I hope you guys like it. It's something so inexpensive and at the same time, it looks so expensive. I'm going to take two of these wine glass, and I'm going to take my hot glue, put some hot glue all the way around it, and I'm going to attach it. Make sure to use E6000s for better attachment. Then I'm going to take these plastic containers, like little bowl they have in Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it to the top just like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab my spray paint in silver. You could do it any color that you would like. And I'm going to take my floral from one of the round it, and I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around. Make sure to put enough, and then go ahead and attach it to the middle of the plate like that. Then after that, I'm going to place flowers. So I'm going to do, this is the first style that I'm going to do. I'm just going to place flower around it, or you could also make it a little bit bigger and taller and more elegant. Just go ahead. I took this little branches from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place it all the way around it like that until I'm done filling out the whole thing. Once I'm done, so you see like the bottom part, we don't want that part to show. So I'm going to take a few flowers. I use some Q-tip, and then I'm going to attach all the way around it. I also used the big one, and I'm gonna put it inside, and then I'm gonna cut it a little bit because it depends how high you want it, and I don't want the stick to show. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside like that. So I'm going to be continue doing this, like attaching it all the way around it until I am done attaching the whole thing. You could also add a few little different things to pop it up a little bit, some gold, silver, whatever you want or whatever you have. This is the first DIY how it turns out, which I think is super cute and easy for you guys to do at home. And this one is the second one, how it turns out, which is more elegant and more bigger and more beautiful. So go ahead and grab one of these plunger from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use this picture frames 6x4, and I'm going to take the black part out and I'm going to attach it to the top, and I'm also going to attach it to the bottom like that. Then after that, I'm going to take a spray painted in gold, and then I'm going to take a few leaves and like little branches and put two of them together to the top, and then I'm going to put two of them upside down like that. Then I took some tape and I'm going to attach it together. Then after that, I'm going to take some hot glue and attach it to the picture frames, but I wanted for better attachments, just go ahead and use the tape and go around it and attach it better. Then after that, I'm going to take my flowers, like small little flowers, and place it around it, one at the bottom. I'm going to put another one on the top and bottom. Then I took this garland, crystal garland. I'm going to place it on the back like that on each side of the frame. Then I'm going to place a big flower in the middle like that. Then this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple and so inexpensive that you guys can make it at home, and I think it looks great on any party decorations. But if you don't want it so simple as that, I just did a little differently. I put a few flowers at the bottom, like just to make it stand out more. You can put a little bit of flowers too, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. You decide which one you like better, with a flower or without it. For the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a floral foam. I'm gonna place it inside like that just to make the hole of it. If you can't do it like that, just go ahead and grab your knife and just make a hole after you mark it down. Then put some hot glue. Make sure to put enough hot glue, and then go ahead and attach it to the plunger like that. Just make sure to do it good and stick it all the way inside like that, so it could be perfectly fine. Then after that, I'm gonna grab one of these two of these circles. They have these at Dollar Tree. They come in different size. So I'm going to go ahead and place it inside, put some hot glue, and I'm going to take the medium one and I'm going to place it inside as well. Just press it down like that. Now, if it doesn't want to press it down, you can just take a knife, cut it out, and then go ahead and press it inside, and it should be fine like that. Then I'm going to attach the bottom part of the ring like that, one by one, and so I'm done with both of them. After that, I'm going to take a flower and place it inside the floral foam. Here you can attach it with hot glue as well for better attachment. As you can see here, it's a little bit wobbly, and I was going crazy. I didn't know what to do, and I'm like, I have to come up with an idea. So I decided to put rocks inside. So you're just gonna go ahead, make sure to do this step before you do the whole thing, not so it doesn't happen like me. So then go ahead and put enough rocks. Make sure this is the key, to put enough rock inside. Then I took one of this round floral. I'm gonna attach it with hot glue all the way around it, place it in there, and attach it into place just like that. Hold it down until it's attached fine. Then after that, I'm gonna place some flower all the way around it, put different color, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's something so cute that you guys can do at home, and I think it will look great for any party decorations or wedding or birthday party or any idea that you guys thing that you guys have. And here, as you can see, it's straight, so you can always just move it around with your hand like that, and make sure to put enough rocks. That's the key, so it won't be wobbly. So I went ahead and grabbed this from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take some toothpick and place it inside like that. And I'm going to do that all the way around it. And then I'm going to take a few flowers and just place it inside like that. And then pull it inside so it can attach into place. You could put some hot glue if you would like. So then I'm just going to go ahead and continue placing the flower until I'm done doing the whole thing around it. Then I took this glass. I'm going to place it on top. But before that, I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it to the top, just like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take these candle holders and I spray painted in gold. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on your candle, and then so you can attach it into place like that. Then once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and fill out your floral like around it, all the way around. Just fill it up with any color that you're doing or whatever color you would like to do. Then after that, I'm going to take this down just to put like a little gold leaves inside there. This is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't like it. Then after that, this is how cute it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do at home, and it will look super cute on your table decorations. You could do 2 color tones if you would like it as well too. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to do a little bit different, and I'm going to take the flower out. I'm going to take everything that I did on top, just take it out, and then I'm going to place inside 3 candle holders like that. So I'm going to do 3 instead of 1, and then I'm going to take my candle and place the hot glue on this one. Make sure to put enough hot glue on each candle, and then make sure to put it inside. Then just hold it down a little bit before you let it go so it get attached into place good. So you're going to continue doing that until you do all 3 candle holders like that. Then after that, after you do all 3 candle holders, you're going to go ahead and place the flowers all the way around. Just fill it up the same way we do the other one. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple, you guys can do, and I think it's super cute and easy for you guys to do, and it's inexpensive as well. Something so simple like this, you guys can do at home. Now for the next DIY, I did a little bit different. So I'm going to use 2 wine glass, the big one that they have in Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take the phone and I'm going to place it at the bottom. Make sure to attach it with glue, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the white flowers and just changing the colors to this color just to make it a little bit different. Then go ahead and put some hot glue and put another wine glass on top, just like that. And then after that, we're going to put the same. I did another one with just this different color. This is the same as the white one, just in this color. But before that, I decided to put a cute little light inside. So then just go ahead, place it inside. You can place it at the bottom if you want to be able to turn it off and on if it's for more day than one. Then go ahead and place that one on top, just like that. And you can always just attach it with hot glue to attach it into place. Then go ahead and take your light. You can also put 2 lights, one at the bottom, one at the top. I just decided to put one at the top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. And it's so simple to do. And I think it looks so beautiful and elegant. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to follow.